Hey guys, before we get started with today's video, I just wanted to come on here and say thank you so much to Cozy Earth for sponsoring today's video. So they actually sent me the cutest little pajama set. I was so in need of some new, fresh, mature pajamas. If you have any birthdays coming up, I feel like a pajama set is the perfect gift idea. The fabric of these pajamas is also temperature regulated and it's 10 times softer than cotton. I'm telling you guys, it's super soft, and it's also certified free of harmful chemicals as well. Use code Julia30 to get 30% off your purchase. Use the link in the description and the discount code will be automatically applied to your order. Thank you once again so much to Cozy Earth for sponsoring today's video, and without further ado, let's go on and get started with today's vlog. Okay, I'm gonna turn my music off because then I'm gonna get copyrighted. I went grocery shopping earlier before the gym. I need to, where's my Sharpie? I always label everything with like a J on it. If not, like I literally forget that it's mine and then it rots and then I just have to throw it away. It's kind of extra, but it actually helps. Oh, this is mine. I went to Aldi earlier. I only get certain things at Aldi. What should I start off with? I'm gonna start off with these. I get these bagel skinnies. They're like a lot thinner. I don't know if you guys could see through the bag. They're thinner than like normal bagels. They're only 110 calories. These are the everything ones. And I actually keep these in the freezer because I don't eat them like back to back. Also, look at my Puerto Rico tan. Ignore my pimples. But look at my Puerto Rico tan. Oh my gosh, it's organic. Next thing I got from Aldi is this coconut milk. How do I explain this? I don't like almond milk. I don't know what it is. Then I used to love oat milk so much. Like I would literally go to Sprouts to buy like the Califia. I forgot the name. I was like, I want something like not as thick. I was just walking in Aldi like minding my own business. I turn around, I look at the refrigerator where the milk is, and I'm like, you're coming home with me. Was that too descriptive? I don't know. But yeah, so this is just coconut milk, 80 calories per 1 cup. I mean, clearly I like it. Like, it's my, what, 5th time buying it. So let me put my little J on it. Screenshot. No, don't do that. Don't screenshot. Put this in the refrigerator. Oh my god, these, I literally got 2 of these because, and I ate one earlier. These are just like protein, yogurt, vanilla. Honestly though, it's Greek yogurt, so I don't even taste the vanilla. I usually eat these in the morning with like granola, and I just love them so much. So I just got 2 packs because I had to stock up on them. If this is your first time watching a video on my channel, I'm sorry. Like, this is not my best video. It's not my worst either. Like, I've had some pretty bad videos. Don't go all the way to my oldest videos because that's where it gets really bad. Ooh, I should have showed you guys this after the little... We do have a train here in Kennesaw. I still live in Kennesaw until July, and then I don't know where the heck I'm gonna go. We'll figure that out as it comes. We'll figure it out. We'll figure out whatever life throws at us. We'll figure out everything eventually. But yeah, so anyways, I use this with my bagel skinnies. Like, I just love this more than regular cream cheese. Like, something about it being whipped. Any whipped cream cheese is just amazing. I got 3 bell peppers. I haven't had them in a minute and I saw them and they looked really good. For meats, I just love getting like pre-seasoned meat from Aldi. This one I haven't tried, but this is a cracked pepper turkey breast tenderloin, boneless, skinless, extra lean. Oh my god, you guys, I saw this TikTok the other day. This is so off topic. I don't know, that's so off topic. But yeah, this is just Southwest style seasoned chicken. I've tried their other seasoned chickens. Like there's one that's literally like, they have a tomato basil one, something like that. That one is really good too. So I don't know, I just saw this one. I haven't tried it before. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna try it. So yeah, that's the meat I got. I already opened this because I had it with like my salad earlier. Cauliflower crackers, cheddar flavor, gluten-free vegan. Aldi has some good healthy snacks. I did get some broccoli because I'm so tired of eating chicken and broccoli, but like that's just like my go-to. If I don't have any groceries and I'm like, okay, what do I make? I just grab that because I know that makes like a meal, like chicken and broccoli and like another vegetable and then like fruit or something. I don't know. I got some beef jerky. I had to go get another SD card because the other one was like full or something. Like my camera kept beeping. So yeah, we're back. Emma and I have gotten these so many times from Aldi because they have 7 grams of protein and it's only 80 calories for 2 of these. Highly recommend these, but I was just bored of those, so then I just saw these and I was like, I haven't really had beef jerky in a fat minute. 11 grams of protein, 28 grams of protein for the whole thing. Yeah, I don't know, I tried this and I actually liked it too. I love these so much from Aldi. I don't get them every time I go because like I will eat the whole bag, but these are just some pretzel slims. So these are about 23 pieces for 110 calories and they're so good. I don't know why I like them more than like regular pretzels, but these are amazing. I haven't gotten them in a minute, so I was like, okay, let me just grab them. So I got them this time. I did get 4 bananas, but I ate one for lunch. I also got some plums, prunes. I got a bag of these. I actually really like these. I was just craving them and I like how they're like a little sour. And then I was running out of rice, so I got some white rice. I didn't pick up one of these today because I literally have this bag and another bag, but I love these. They're lightly salted rice cakes. It's only 40 calories for 1 cake and you could put stuff on it. I sometimes literally just put like whipped cream on the top. I like it more with like sweet stuff and it's like that Fit and Active brand. That's everything I got today from Aldi. I didn't get like a lot, but I just got more of like essentials and stuff like that. I wanted eggs, but they're still overpriced, so I was just like, I'll just wait. But I do need to go to like another grocery store that's not Aldi that has like actual brand stuff soon. Maybe I'll just start meal prepping because I just want to get it out of the way for tomorrow. I kind of like the lighting here. I don't really want to move. Oh my god, I just hit my knee. I'm so funny. Oh my god, you know what I could do right now while I'm on my phone? I could show you guys. Hold up. I could show you guys the video I was talking about. I hit my knee again. Before I show you guys that video, have you guys like seen, I don't know what side of TikTok you guys are on, but have you guys seen this like lady that like, she does exercises and she like counts like to 4 and then she repeats, hold up. Literally her whole page is like doing those exercises, like the most random exercises that aren't even exercises, but they are. I don't know how to explain it. Oh my god, wait, I have to show you guys this too. I saw Caleb Presley, he interviewed like Drake and Drake's son, whatever, and then I went back and I saw his like previous interviews because I wanted to see like what other celebrities he's interviewed. I loved the one with Hasbulla. Hold up, the lighting sucked. Let me show it again.
Hasbulla. When you look in the mirror, what do you see?
No, but listen to this, listen to this. The comments under this TikTok is what's so funny to me. Oh, that's a beautiful message. I wish I felt that. He literally said, I see me. When you look in the mirror. Never mind. Never mind. Damn, I never thought of it that way. And then one with Posty.
You are cute. You are cute. But are you saying that to me or to yourself? You are cute.
In the mirror every morning is what I say to myself.
Always tired? People ask you about that a lot?
Yeah.
And was that you're always tired of being a Cowboys fan? Is that what it is for?
Yeah. Yeah.
They're so funny. Y'all. That's not the TikTok I was looking for. Oh my god, this is the lady I was talking about.
Vamos, mis amores. Mis amores, ustedes saben que uno no tiene los brazos, pero usted lo hace. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vamos, mis amores. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4.
Is it funny? No? Okay.
We cannot beat these.
Wrong TikTok. The one TikTok I wanted to show you guys, I couldn't even find. Oh yeah, also follow me on TikTok. I'm trying to get to 10K and I post on there pretty consistently. Yeah, this is my TikTok. The same as my Instagram. Oh my gosh. Hi, it's me again. So my turkey is done. The chicken is like over here. I already like cut it, you know. I go to sleep really early, so I think I'm just gonna cut my like bell peppers tomorrow. I still need to do my skincare routine, take all my makeup off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my turkey. Emma just got back home from like this thing she was at for a few days, so I thought I would include that little clip of her because I thought it was funny. So I also still need to clean up after. Yeah, let's go to this other side behind me. I'm cutting this so weird. I don't know who's DMing me. So let me show you guys. This is kind of like I put a single piece of broccoli in because I want to make sure all of them have the same amount of broccoli, but I had to wait for that to finish. Oh my god, hold up, let me not eat this aluminum or I'm literally gonna explode. I don't even know if I'm dividing these up right. Okay, I'm just gonna add this one. Okay, so this is the final product. We have the chicken, white rice, broccoli. I have 3 chickens, and then I have 4 of the like turkey. Yeah, it's just the same thing, like turkey, white rice, broccoli. I always do broccoli just because it's so easy and it has fiber. I'm just gonna cover these up and then put them in the fridge. But yeah, they look so cute. Look at my meal preps, you guys. It's literally 10:25, so I need to go upstairs, take off my makeup, do my skincare routine. I don't think I'm gonna vlog that just because I feel like the video is gonna be so long by now. Thanks for coming into my kitchen and meal prepping with me for the week. Let me know in the comments what type of videos you guys want to see. If you guys want me to do a little like updated, like what do they call it, like life update, let me know, because sometimes I feel like doing it. I'm just like, I just don't know if you guys like care enough to know like about what's been going on in my life recently. I don't know how much you guys want to know, so let me know. I could update you guys on like graduation, moving, I don't know. I will have my Instagram and my TikTok on the screen linked down below. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below as well. My goal for YouTube is to hit 50K, so I feel like that's totally doable. Okay, bye guys. I kind of want to do like bloopers in the end of the video. What am I doing?